Good morning, learners. Welcome to your maths lesson. Sharing is caring. But when it comes to chocolate, nobody likes to share, isn't it? When you share something or divide something, there's a lot of mathematics behind it. So without wasting any time, let's start the session with you. Let's learn fraction. Understanding fraction can be easy as 1, 2, 3. Just watch this video and you will be using fraction with ease. It's easy to count whole things like a pizza, a pie or a donut. But what if we only had part of one? How would we count it then? We do use fractions. Our fractions look like this. The bottom number is called denominator. It shows how many equal pieces an object has been divided into. The top number is called the numerator. It shows how many parts of the denominator you are looking at. For example, a pizza is usually divided into 8 slices. That means that in a fraction, the denominator would be 8. If you normally eat one slice of pizza, then 1 would be the numerator. That means that you ate 1/8 of a pizza. If you normally eat 2 slices of pizza, then 2 would be the numerator. Denominator would still be 8. Since there are always 8 slices of pizza, that would mean that you ate 2/8 of pizza. Let's try another example. This pie is divided into 6 pieces and you ate 4 pieces of it. If there were 6 pieces of pie and you eat 4, what is the denominator of your fraction? That's right, 6. What is the numerator? Yup, it's 4. That means that you ate 4/6 of the pie. Let's try one more example. If you and your friend have one donut to share, then you will cut into 2 pieces. If there is 2 pieces of donuts and you ate 1, what is the numerator of your fraction? That's right, the numerator is 1. What is the denominator? Right again, it's 2. Now learners, let me see how much you know about fraction. Answer my questions. How many halves make a whole? Think about it. How many halves make a whole? Right, 2. This is the pizza and I am dividing this into 2. Right, this whole pizza is now divided in 2. That's me. 2 half makes a whole. Another one. How many quarters make a whole? Think about it. Right. This is one pizza and I have divided it into 4. So 4 quarters make 1 whole. Right? Moving further. Adding fraction with a common denominator. We have 2 fractions and here is the model to represent it. And we have to add them together. Both of wholes are divided up into 8 parts. So we got denominator of 8 for both of these fractions. We will add the shaded part to know how many parts we have got and that's gonna be our numerator. 3 plus 4 is 7 parts out of 8. If I remove the model and we just focus on the fraction, we can see the denominator is unchanged. So we can say when we add fractions, if the denominator are the same, keep denominator and just add the numerators. Next one. In this example, we got 6 parts out of 10 plus 2 parts out of 10. Here our denominator will be same, that is 10. And 6 plus 2 is 8, that is part out of 10. Now if I say you to reduce this fraction to its lowest term. Learners, if you remember, we did equivalent fractions in term 2. So you must know what to do here. Think about it. 8 and 10 are both even number. So, they can be divided by 2, right? We can simplify this fraction, and when we divide numerator and denominator by 2, we get, yes learners, 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. That is a simplified fraction. It is now reduced to its lowest term. The rule is, if you can reduce a fraction to its lowest term, you just do it. Moving further, let's do fraction subtraction. First, we learned to add fractions. Now, we learn to subtract them. And if you can add fraction, you will have no problem with subtraction. This represents 5 by 6 and I have to subtract 4 by 6. If I take 4 by 6 away from 5 by 6, here what's left? 1 by 6, and without the diagram, we can see the denominator in our problem is same. So, we are going to write our denominator same, that is 6. We keep the same denominator in our answer and we only use subtraction for the numerators. This is just like when we add fraction with the same denominator. So, with this one, what answer do you get, learners? Yes, the denominator stays same and we do subtraction to our numerators, that is 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So our answer is 3 by 8. Okay with that? What about this one, learners? 8 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Denominator will stay same, that is 9. And we do subtraction to our numerators, that is 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is how much, learners? Great! It is 6. So our answer is 6 by 9. Yes, learner, do you notice anything? 6 by 9 are both in the 3 timetable. So we can reduce this fraction, isn't it? So what we are going to do is, we are going to divide 6 by 3 and 9 by 3. So here first, we will divide 6 divided by 3, then 9 divided by 3. So tell me, learners, 6 divided by 3 equals? Right, 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, so just recap 2 more examples, one for addition and one for subtraction. If we want to add 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7, here is the really nice one to learn the working. I would encourage you all to do your working like this. We do 3 plus 2, add the numerator but the denominator stays as 7. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So our answer is 5 by 7. One for subtraction. Now 8 by 9 minus 7 by 9. Just subtract the numerators. From 8 take away 7 is 1. And denominator stays as 9. So our final answer is 1 by 9. I hope, learners, you will enjoy your maths lesson today. Happy learning, stay safe, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.